Hi class, this video is to show you how to read and access the feedback provided in your essays. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to grades. Now this is the test student account, so obviously I don't really have assignments here, but I did upload a sample assignment for the proposal essay. So as you can see, it has the grade that I received out of how many points. Now to go ahead and look at the feedback, you would go ahead and click on the little quotation boxes, and then this clipboard icon is for the rubric. So let's go ahead and click on the feedback icon, and this lets me know what comments I received on my essay. So this is the comment I received on my essay, and that's it. I can go ahead and close it. Now to get more detailed feedback, you can go ahead and look at the rubric, and it shows you the rubric. So basically what you see here, it shows you that you got a 3 out of 5. I also got a 9 out of 15 points for my analysis of the problem. And also go ahead and look at the instructor comments, because sometimes I do write comments in here. So for example, in this category, I got a 9 out of 15 because I need to explain the problem a bit more. So whenever you're looking at the rubric, you can go ahead and look at the instructor comments to understand why you received the score that you did. So like I said, to look at the rubric, you click on the clipboard icon. To look at the comments, you click on the quotation icon. However, to really look at more detail, what you want to do is you want to really actually click on the assignment. So you will go ahead and click on the assignment, and as you can see the comments here again. But to get more detailed feedback, you would go ahead and click on view feedback. Also notice how the rubric is up here as well. So you can click on there and you'll see the rubric. And here you won't see the comment automatically. You would have to click on here to see the comment, and there it is, explain the problem a bit more. So as you can see, there are several ways to look at the rubric and to also look at the comments that I provided. So we would just go ahead and close the rubric, and then, like I said, to get more detailed feedback, I would go ahead and click on view feedback. Now as you can see here, I actually have comments written in the text. So it's very important that you actually look at the comments that I provided. Now this isn't an actual proposal essay, it's actually a discussion post that I wrote last year when I was taking English 646 as a professional development course. So it's not a proposal essay, but as you can see, I uploaded it and I wrote down comments. So if you wanted to see this in full screen, you would just go ahead and click on the arrow icon, and you would be able to see them full screen. Now for this, I didn't provide a lot of comments, but whenever I grade your essays, I do often highlight things. Sometimes I highlight things in red, or I mark out things in red, and I also provide comments on the side. So it's very important that whenever I grade an essay, that you not just look at the rubric and at the grade, but that you actually look at the comments that I write down within the text, because this will help you improve your essay for next time. And that's really the goal of writing, to look at the feedback you receive and to improve it for the next essay. So to go back to the window, you just click on the 2 arrows where it says exit full screen, and you are back to the assignment. And like I said, here you see the announcements. Here you can access the rubric, and then here you can go ahead and look at the comments within the text. So if we go back to grades, it's easier to just go ahead and look at the assignment and see what you got. So this is quick access, comments, rubric. But like I said, what you really want to do to get the full feedback is to click on proposal essay, and then you will be able to see everything in one window: the rubric, the comments, And then of course make sure that you click on the feedback so that you can go ahead and read the comments. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any questions about your grade, about any feedback that I provide, please let me know. Grades and feedback are kind of, especially grades are private, so I cannot discuss them in an open setting such as discussions or anything like that. So if you do have a question about your grade or about your particular assignment or any feedback, go ahead and email me and I will go ahead and get back to you. And if you'd like to meet, we can also go ahead and meet and discuss the assignment or the grade in person. Thank you for watching this video, and like I said, please let me know if you have any questions.